It's a 2023 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Stelvio's voluptuous body wraps around a turbocharged engine, sure-footed chassis, and meticulously crafted leather interior. It's the SUV only Italy could build. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, streaming audio, inductive device charging, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Alfa Romeo has a storied history of building racetrack-inspired vehicles for the street. Take it for a test drive today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.